has reached an all-time new high. Some idiot trader got in last night and tried to short the market and got burned. More details at 11. Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. Bam, bam. Oh, let's go look on the chart. Look at this chart. Look at the daily chart. Look at the daily chart. Daily chart ain't much better. Also, too, I'm trying to do some stuff to try to help, the experience here because, like I said, I know trading. There's a lot of sitting in silence, a lot of trying to figure out what's happening in the market and all that good stuff. So, you guys got any suggestions for the candle? I mean, not the candle, but for the channel. Anything we can do to make it better for you guys, make it a more enjoyable experience? Please feel free to let me know. Love to hear from you guys. I love hearing from you guys all the time. Period. It is a joy and a pleasure to actually be able to work with each and every one of you guys. So what do we got here? Let's see here. Go back in. Oops. I think we have some issues here. Hold on a second. Sorry, folks, having some connection issues. Okay, I think we're good to go again. Let's get back to it. All right. Blah 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 blah. There we go. All right. So once again, Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. I'm gonna say we're gonna sell this puppy. Let's sell it. Sell it. Now there is some information that's coming out tomorrow, and this is something to be crucial, something to be aware of. Let's see here with the Great Britain pound. See something here with the what date is this? Yeah, 19. So there's going to be some information coming out tomorrow. You got stuff with China, which already came out. Looks like. You got some stuff that's coming out with Great Britain pound, Canadian dollars, consumer price index that will move the market tomorrow. That's going to be at 8:30, and then you have something else with the. So let me get this time change to where I can understand it. Bam. Yeah. So okay. So yeah, be aware. Tomorrow, this is Eastern Standard Time here in the States. Canadian dollar. Let's see. Consumer price index is coming out tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Be aware of that. Let's see here. What else you should be aware of? Existing home sales for the U.S. That's coming out at 10 a.m. and it looks like we got something. One of the Bank of England's governors is going to be speaking. 11:30. It may do something. But that's around time the market closes over there anyway, so I don't anticipate much on that. Just be mindful about the consumer price index for the Canadian dollar, especially since we're looking at going in and doing something with that pair, right? And what's the last one? It's going to be the New Zealand dollar. So this right here is the Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar. Once again, we're just gonna look to trade what's happening, not what we think is gonna happen. We're not gonna anticipate anything. We're just gonna go along with the flow. We're gonna go along to get along and see, if we can move along and make some of this moolah, right? It's all about the moolah, baby. All about the moolah, moolah, moolah. Remember, put our support resistance lines in. Bam, bam, bam. It's easy peasy. Breezy, busy. And just kind of keep in mind, folks, that no matter what happens in the market, you can come back. There's no reason to ever go in and just panic, okay? As long as you put your stop losses in place, you shouldn't panic, okay? And you should know how much you want to lose before you get in there and start losing anything. Don't panic, man, okay? Too many people get in and do those panic trades or those revenge trades, and they wind up losing way more than what they should. and it's just a difficult time to come back. Man. You don't have to do that. Go back over, bam. You just trade what the market is giving us, right? That's what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna trade what the market is giving us. We're gonna be disciplined, folks. Discipline. You're right. All right, so that was a previous resistance. Could have been support, but it probably looks like it's gonna be resistance as well. Um, so there you have it, folks. We got 2 more minutes, probably like a minute and a half before the 4 a.m. hour, and we're gonna get back in this baby, and we're gonna try to make some money today, right? And if I don't make any money today, then you'll probably hear about me jumping in front of a train tomorrow. No, I'm joking. I won't do that. It's never that serious, folks. It's never that serious, man. Never that serious, man. Have fun with this stuff. Don't let this stuff stress you out. And please, 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 just take your time trading. Don't ever trade with money that you can't afford to lose. If you choose to do a live account, a real account, and just trade with a demo account until you feel comfortable with it. Don't let anybody force you or make you think that you gotta trade with a live account to learn how to trade, or trade with a live account before you can actually be doing something. Trade with the demos for as long as you need. Navy SEALs had a saying. They said that the more you sweat and practice, the less you bleed in war, right? And I think that saying fits what we do here perfectly, right? The more you sweat and practice, the less you bleed in war, right? And you best believe this is war when we get here in front of this terminal and we're looking at the screen, because hey, you know what? If we lose, especially on a real account, we lose for real, right? Who wants to lose, right? You shouldn't want to lose. You should want to win, right? So we got to make sure that when we're trading, that we are winning as much as possible, whenever possible, right? And a lot of that just comes from, hey, let me go ahead and practice now, right? Let me get in here, let me practice, let me do as much practice as I need to become better and learn these strategies, right? And then that way, I can become a more profitable trader when I actually start trading on a real account, right? Practice, 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 practice. Practice doesn't make perfect, but practice will help you become better if you're practicing the right habits. And that's crucial. You got to practice the right habits. Cannot go in and practice the wrong habits and then expect to have good things happen. It's not going to happen for you. Okay, but practice the right habits every day. Come in, whether you're going to trade or not. Practice putting in your support resistance lines. Practice looking at seeing where the market is going and not think it's going to happen. Practice when you do put in trades, practice putting in trades based off of what's happening right now in the market. If the market's going down, practice selling. If the market's going up, practice buying. Okay? At any rate, guys, listen, man, it has been my extreme pleasure. I think the quote that I just left you with the Navy SEALs, I think that sums it up. I think that's going to be a positive term for our positive quote for today, which is the more you practice, or the more you sweat and practice, the less you bleed in war. I love that, and I think that's something we're going to roll with for today. And I want to wish you guys a safe weekend, and I want to wish you guys a profitable trading day. I hope you guys make a ton of money today, and if you had any losses this week, I hope that you recover them all today and walk off with a profit into the weekend. Until next time, I hope you guys are all safe, and I wish you well. God bless you, and I will see you early Monday morning. Take care.